Now, if I wanted to write the expanded notation in fraction form, I'm going to start with my parentheses, my addition sign, my multiplication sign, my values. So we could write 1/10 in fraction form, and we could write 1/100th in fraction form. And the value that is in the tenths place is the number 4. The value that is in the hundredths place is the number 8. What questions can I answer for you? So we're going to build another number in the hundredths place. So here we go. I want you to build me 21 hundredths. 21 hundredths. Show me what 21 hundredths looks like. 21 hundredths. I like what I see. I like what I see. Very nice. So you should have a white and a gray. What number is on your white piece of paper, Liam? What number is on your white piece of paper? 0.21. Okay, R2. And what number is on the gray piece of paper, the light gray? Hannah? 1. So when we layer it up, it looks like this, 21 hundredths. Take your glue stick and let's glue that down. You have to glue it in 2 pieces. So you're gluing down your hundredths first, and then you're going to glue your tenths on top of that. So it looks like this. Those of you who've already got it glued, let's write our expanded notation out. So our expanded notation is going to be our parentheses. We have 2 numbers, so 2 sets of parentheses. We're adding those together. We need 2 multiplication signs inside. Let's do our decimal first, so let's represent 1/10 and then 1/100th. Mina, what number is in the tenths place over here? 2. Alyssa, what number is in the hundredths place over here? 1. Let's go ahead and write that in fraction form as well. So build your 2 parentheses with your addition sign in between. Put your multiplication sign down. Replacing our decimal with the fraction form of 1/10. Replacing our decimal form of 1/100th with the fraction form of 1/100th. What number is in the tenths place? Kaylee? 2. And Kelsey, what number is in the hundredths place? 1. Very nice. We're going to glue in our last one, and then we'll have to maybe finish the expanded notation piece tomorrow. But I want us to make the number 938 thousandths. 938 thousandths. 938 thousandths. So does yours look like mine? You should have a white that is the 9. You should have a gray that is that represents the 3. And you should have the 8 that represents the thousandths. When you have yours looking like mine, take your glue stick, glue that down. Layer it up. right, what questions can I answer for you? So if you have enough time, we could write our expanded notation. How many sets of parentheses will we have now? 3. We'll have 3. So we'll need 2 addition signs. We'll put our multiplication sign in between. Not in between, inside the parentheses. We have a number that is in the tenths place. We have a number that is in the hundredths place. We have a number that's in the thousandths place. Now all we have to do is go back and fill in the value of that number. What value is the number in the tenths place? Lila, what is the value of the number in the tenths place? 9. Simmons, what is the value of the number in the hundredths place? 3. And what is the value, Hunter, of the number in the thousandths place?
I don't have my 8.
Okay. Do you need mine? I might have an extra. I'll bring you one. But it is an 8. You are right.
I think I have it. Is that on the floor? Is it that one on the floor?
Alright, that has left us right where the other class is. So here's what we need to do. They are going to be outside lined up. Again, I'm going to tell you, if you've glued down everything that I have glued down, the rest of this is trash now. So we're going to need to make sure it all gets in the trash can. I have moved the trash can towards the center of the room so that you can all kind of get to it from different places. If you borrowed scissors, where do you need to put the scissors? Put them back. If you borrowed glue, go put it back. I want you to put your name on this. I'm collecting these because remember, this is 40 points of your grade today. So, put your name at the top. Who's singing? No. Absolutely no. No singing. Listen, put your name on the front and I'm collecting it. And be stacked and ready. Perfect. Stack it. Is that my turn? Okay, here's my turn. Put your name on it and follow the directions. And stack your stuff so you're ready to leave. Alright, if you borrow the glue. A lot of cash for people that are seated and quiet. Seated, quiet. If you borrowed markers, make sure that your table is the table that's ready. I see paper. I see a broken pencil. I see a piece of paper down there.